Today I will explain how to cultivate mushroom in polybags. There are 6 types of mushroom varieties that can be cultivated in this manner. American oyster, abalone, Bhutan oyster, juicier, Indian oyster, oak are them. There are 5 steps for this process: mixing and peeling, sterilizing, fungi being introduced to the media, growth, harvest. Things needed: sawdust obtained from rubber tree, leftovers of grinded raw rice, calcium carbonate, magnesium sulfate, polybags of size 13 into 7 inches of 200 gauge, PVC pipes cut into cylinders of the size 1 inch and make sure the circumference should also be 1 inch. Rubber bands, cotton wool, papers cut into the size of 3 into 3 inches. These are the ingredients sufficient to produce around 220 to 225 bags. Sawdust 100 kilos, 8 kilos of leftovers from grinded red raw rice, 2 kilos of leftovers from grinded white raw rice, 2 kilos of calcium carbonate, 200 grams of magnesium sulfate, water as required. Mix all the ingredients except water. Then add water and mix it thoroughly. The mixture should be consistent. Add 500 grams of the mixture to poly bag. Make the bottom of the bag lay flat by pushing the bottom end corners in. Add another 500 grams of the same mixture to it. Total should be equivalent to 1 kilo. Tighten the mixture by pressing a bottle against it. Run a PVC pipe over the bag opening. Pull the top of the poly bag out towards the PVC pipe and fix it well with the rubber band. Dip a cotton ball inside the remaining space. Then again keep a piece of paper over the cotton ball, fix it with the rubber band. Now I will explain the disinfecting procedure. Things needed: grease barrel of 200 liters. Fill the barrel with water up to a capacity of 5 inches. Insert 6 inches tall wooden bench. Lay around 60 to 65 bags on the wooden bench horizontally. Close the barrel with the lid. Make a hole with the nail of the middle of the lid. Fix the lid well so that it doesn't release steam. For this purpose, you can use a motorcycle tube. Let it sterilize for another 2 hours. After some time, when the steam starts flowing out through the hole which was created, clip in by a nail. Open the lid after 2 hours. Be cautious when opening the lid. The steam can burn you. Remove it from barrel after cooling down. After cooling down completely, transfer the bags to a dark room where you allocated to produce mushroom. Remove the inserted cotton balls from the polybags. Put half a teaspoon of mushroom spawn into the polybag opening where the cotton ball was removed. Just after, immediately dip the same cotton ball. Dip a cotton ball inside the remaining space of the bag. Then again keep a piece of paper over the cotton ball, fix it with the rubber band. 1 bag of is sufficient to make 100 bags. Leave the thus prepared bags in a dark room for around 30 days. On the last 5 days, open the windows to let sunlight in. Make sure the room receives only a slight sunlight. When the fungus starts giving a whitish color, shift it to a room where it is suitable to grow mushroom. The room should have ventilation and it should receive adequate light. Make sure there is no impact of sunlight. Room should be enclosed. To prevent any harm from insects, arrange the room with racks to store the polybags. Remove the cotton balls and pipes from the polybags and cut off the openings. Place the bags in the racks. Dash the water to the outer surface of the polybags. Do not let water get collected inside the bag. To maintain the temperature favorably, spray water to the roof, floor and walls. The mushroom will start growing after 5 to 10 days. You can pluck the harvest when the mushrooms are 75% grown. Make sure the room is always clean. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel.